The day of the accident, I was in the right lane. When the light changed, the driver to my left decided to make a right turn and crash into the side of my car. Once the impact took place, the Nexar dash cam automatically saved a clip. There was irrefutable proof that I was not at fault. My name is Walter Hurdle. I live in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, New York, and I'm an Uber driver and Lyft driver. Because I had the Nexar dash cam, I was able to prove that the other vehicle was 100% at fault, and I was able to get full reimbursement from the insurance company for my repairs. I would recommend any Uber or Lyft driver to get a Nexar dash cam because it's an essential tool. The Nexar dash cam has the ability to record inside and outside the vehicle. One of the beauties is that if there's an incident, it automatically saves the footage to the phone and to the cloud without you manually having to save the footage. You can email it to your insurance company, or to police, or keep it as a record on your phone. It makes me feel safer and secure in my vehicle, as there are times when passengers are having a bad day, they're disgruntled. But we as drivers, we have to have a tool to protect ourselves. The Nexar dash cam is definitely a means by which we can protect ourselves, because a picture says 1,000 words, a video actually says 1,000,000.